Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to get notes on Instagram. Let's see how to do that. First, go to Instagram apps from your phone. Then from the top right corner, go to direct message. Now you'll see there is a plus icon beside your profile picture and on bottom it is written leave a note. Just simply click on that plus icon and write your note and click share. All your friends will see that note. If you don't have note in your profile, go to your profile picture from home on the bottom right corner. Then from the top right corner, click the hamburger icon. Then go to setting and privacy. Now scroll down to bottom and go to help. Now click report a problem. You have to shake your phone. Now click report a problem. If you want to add logs and diagnostic, click include or you can select don't include and continue. Now explain your problem. Then click send. Thank you. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe.